Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create vintage effect in CapCut apps easily. So tap on your project, select your video or just photo you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select and open my project, and to apply the vintage effect in one click, you are just going to select filter, select retro in filters, and scroll to the right until you find vintage effect. Vintage, click on it and adjust for the opacity. You can see the result like this. You can also add effect, video effect, and select retro. Sorry, you can select texture and select this one, green one. Just click check marks. There you go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. So easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.